Welcome to our video on the top 5 best camera for photography of 2025. For beginners, point-and-shoot or entry-level mirrorless cameras offer ease of use. Enthusiasts benefit from DSLRs or advanced mirrorless models with interchangeable lenses. Professionals prefer full-frame or medium-format cameras for superior image quality. Consider sensor size, autofocus, stabilization, and budget to find the perfect camera for your needs. So, let's get started. Number 5. Panasonic LUMIX G85, a compact powerhouse for photography and videography. This digital camera is a feature-packed mirrorless camera designed for photographers and videographers who demand both performance and portability. With its 16MP micro Four Thirds sensor, 5-axis dual image stabilization, and 4K video capabilities, the G85 is a versatile tool for creative professionals and enthusiasts alike. Key features: powerful 16MP micro Four Thirds sensor. The G85's 16-megapixel sensor eliminates the low-pass filter, allowing for enhanced image detail and sharpness while maintaining excellent low-light performance. Versatile interchangeable lens system. Equipped with a 12 and a 60mm lens, this camera offers a broad zoom range while supporting a variety of interchangeable lenses for different shooting scenarios. Class-leading dual image stabilization. The 5-axis dual image stabilization system ensures that both stills and videos remain steady and blur-free, even when shooting handheld in low-light conditions. Immersive live viewfinder and articulating LCD. The high-resolution OLED electronic viewfinder (EVF) and a fully articulating touchscreen LCD provide flexibility for creative composition from multiple angles. 4K video and advanced photo modes. Capture crystal clear 4K video and take advantage of 4K photo mode, which allows you to extract 8MP stills from video footage. With its compact yet rugged build, weather-sealed body, and impressive image stabilization, the LUMIX G85 is an ideal travel companion for those who need a reliable camera for both stills and video production. The next is Number 4. Fujifilm X100VI, a timeless classic digital camera. The Fujifilm X100VI camera blends vintage aesthetics with modern imaging technology, offering an unparalleled creative experience. Whether you're a street photographer, content creator, or passionate traveler, this compact yet powerful camera puts you in control of your storytelling. Key features: unmatched sensor performance. The 42MP X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor delivers stunning detail and clarity, ensuring high-quality stills and 2K/30p video that capture every moment with lifelike precision. Steadfast stability. With 6.0 stops of in-body image stabilization (ABIS) and a 4-stop internal ND filter, the X100VI enables blur-free handheld shooting, even in challenging lighting conditions. Creative versatility. Fujifilm's 20 built-in film simulation modes, including the new Reala Ace, let you effortlessly switch between different artistic styles for a classic film-like aesthetic. Extended reach. The 4x and 2x digital teleconverters provide added flexibility by allowing you to get closer to your subjects without losing image quality. Seamless workflow. Featuring Frame.io camera to cloud functionality, this camera makes real-time sharing and collaboration effortless, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Fujifilm quality. Built with premium materials and backed by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, the X100VI offers long-term reliability and performance. With its classic dial-based controls, precise 23mm f2 lens, and AI-assisted autofocus system, the Fujifilm X100VI is the perfect choice for creators who demand both style and substance. Capture, create, and share with a camera that makes every shot unforgettable. The next is Number 3. Nikon Z6II, a full-frame mirrorless camera. The Nikon Z6II is a feature-packed full-frame mirrorless camera designed for professionals and enthusiasts who demand exceptional image quality, speed, and versatility. With a durable build, it's the perfect tool for both photography and videography. Key features: uncompromising image quality. Equipped with a 24.5MP full-frame BSI CMOS sensor and dual Expeed 6 processors, the Z6i delivers outstanding low-light performance, 4K UHD video at 60p, and continuous shooting up to 14 FPS for capturing fast action with precision. Versatile lens compatibility. The camera is fully compatible with Nikon's expanding Nikon Z lens lineup and supports approximately 360 farads mount Nikon lenses using the FTZ mount adapter sold separately, offering unmatched flexibility for different shooting styles. Robust build for demanding shoots. Featuring a magnesium alloy body, the Z6i is built to withstand challenging environments. Dual card slots, CF Express/XQD and UHS-2 SD, provide secure storage options, while USB-C constant power supply ensures uninterrupted shooting sessions. Enhanced operability. The ergonomic redesigned body includes a high-resolution tilting touchscreen, improved button layout, and compatibility with the new vertical battery grip for extended use. With its high-performance sensor, dual processors, and professional-grade build, the Nikon Z6i is an excellent choice for photographers and videographers who need reliability, speed, and creative flexibility. The next is Number 2. Canon EOS R5 Mark II Mirrorless Camera, redefining imaging excellence. The Canon EOS R5 camera pushes the boundaries of professional photography and videography. Designed for speed, precision, and versatility, it is the ultimate tool for creators who demand the best. Key features: new 45MP full-frame sensor, featuring a Canon-designed 45MP back illuminated stacked CMOS sensor. The EOS R5 Mark II delivers exceptional image quality with faster readout speeds, enabling 30 FPS electronic shutter shooting for capturing split-second moments. Advanced autofocus system. With eye control focus and the ability to maintain focus even when subjects are briefly obscured, the upgraded autofocus system ensures unmatched precision in dynamic shooting scenarios. Seamless photo/video capture. Enjoy the ability to capture high-resolution stills and stunning videos simultaneously without interruption, making it an ideal choice for hybrid creators who need versatility in their workflow. Intelligent subject tracking. The action priority feature utilizes scene data to predict movement and lock focus on the main subject, ensuring crystal clear images during high-speed action sequences. Versatile connectivity. With built-in Bluetooth, users can wirelessly transfer files and remotely control the camera, enhancing convenience and creative flexibility. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II combines exceptional resolution, intelligent autofocus, and seamless hybrid capabilities, making it a game-changing tool for both photographers and videographers. Whether capturing fast-moving action, cinematic video, or stunning stills, this camera is engineered to deliver perfection. The next is Number 1. Sony Alpha 1.2 Mirrorless Camera, the pinnacle of imaging excellence. This mirrorless camera redefines professional photography and videography with groundbreaking technology, unparalleled speed, and superior image quality. Designed for professionals, this powerhouse ensures that no moment is missed. Key features: unparalleled resolution. Equipped with a 50.1 megapixel XMOR-RS sensor, the Alpha 1.2 captures breathtaking images with lifelike detail and clarity, setting a new benchmark in high-resolution imaging. Intelligent AF tracking. Featuring an advanced AI processing unit, the camera's real-time recognition AF and real-time tracking accurately detect and track people, animals, vehicles, and even insects, ensuring sharp focus in every shot. Blazing fast performance. Capture action-packed moments effortlessly with 30 FPS continuous shooting and full AF/E tracking, while the blackout-free viewfinder provides an uninterrupted shooting experience. Cinematic video capabilities. Elevate your videography with 8K video recording using 6K oversampling, or shoot 4K footage oversampled from 8K with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, ensuring unmatched detail and dynamic range. Robust and reliable. Built to withstand challenging environments, the Alpha 1.2 boasts a weather-resistant body, making it a reliable companion for professionals who demand durability and performance in any condition. With superior speed and exceptional resolution, the Sony Alpha 1 II stands as a game-changer for photographers and videographers who require nothing but the best, so this is the best option for you to buy.